Tomorrow Monday, we're going to discuss how to change your wireless smoke detector battery. With the time change that happened over the weekend, we suggest that you take the time to change your batteries and clean your smoke detector. This is a wireless smoke detector. To take it off the base, this would be connected to your ceiling. You would just twist and pull down. Once you remove the smoke detector off the base, you will then see the battery on the inside. You will pop out the old battery and discard it, replacing it with your new battery. Then you will line up the attached tabs on the inside back to your base and twist. Once you hear the smoke detector lock into place, you are good to go. You will then need to hit the reset button on your keypad to ensure that the smoke detector has reset and any troubles have cleared.
As always, if you need any assistance, please give our office a call at 423-586-9401.